Hello and welcome. I am Trish and this is Trish Talks, and on this channel I cover all things related to decorating and maintaining your home and garden. And on today's video we're going to take a look at 5 interior design trends that are dying or dead. And quiet as kept, I have a few of them in my home as well. So this is meant to be fun, a tool for you to use when you're planning your future renovation projects. So let's get started. Dying trend number 1, mirrored furniture. So at the beginning of the last decade, mirrored furniture came in a-blazing. I mean, it was glitzy, it was glamorous, and it kicked off what we call the glam home decor style. But note I said last decade. People are moving away from the hard reflective surfaces. They feel a little cold and quite frankly, they are a little hard to maintain. People are now looking for their homes to feel relaxed, warm, and welcoming. So try adding some warm, neutral fabrics, natural fibers, and wood tones to your space to help you achieve that cozy, relaxed vibe. Dying trend number 2, shiplap. Now, love the look. And it came from Fixer Upper. Who can forget when Chip mocked Joanna Gaines saying shiplap, shiplap? Well, what we saw is that it kicked off the shiplap farmhouse chic craze that's been around for almost a decade now, believe it or not. So like every trend, it's been a while, it's had its time, and now it's kind of moving on. But a lot of us still have shiplap in our house, so what do? Here's what I recommend. If you have a room or wall that's covered in shiplap, consider painting some of it out with a color on trend. That will extend the look for a little while longer. Dying trend number 3, the white kitchen. White kitchens are beautiful, but they are being replaced by kitchens that feature warmer tones. Because everyone is in their homes a lot more, they want spaces that feel relaxing and easy and welcoming. That's just what we're seeking right now. Not to mention that these all-white kitchens are not really standing up to the wear and tear of everyone being home all day, every day. If you have an all-white kitchen, consider adding darker lower cabinets and leaving the upper cabinets white. Or find some warmer colors that are on trend that you can add to the walls or on your island. Dying trend number 4, open shelves throughout the entire kitchen. I love the concept of open shelves in a kitchen. I love it. But like with everything else, when you do it to the extreme, it loses some of its appeal. Now, open shelves are great in a little section in the kitchen, right? It's a great place to display really nice items or everyday items like mugs or saucers or something where people can just, reach up and grab it and they don't have to go searching through all of your cabinets just to look for a mug, right? So it's nice to have it there. It's really nice to display really nice personal items, beautiful items, plants even. But keep it to a small place, and then you have those closed cabinets where you can hide, the unsightly plastic cups that your kids bring in from everywhere. But a nice balance works. And dying trend number 5, granite and marble. I know, it hurts my heart to say granite and marble. I mean, because those have been the staples or the premium, but the gold standard in the kitchen for a long time. But guess what? Quartz has come along and it has kind of knocked them out of the box. So if you are investing in a kitchen renovation or a bar renovation or somewhere where you want to add a hard stone surface, consider quartz. Granite and marble are natural stones, but they're very porous and a little difficult to maintain. I mean, if you are to try to maintain their original beauty like the day you brought it in, you should be sealing your stone every 6 months. But many of us don't do that, right? So the stone begins to fade and darken and even look dirty in certain instances. So the quartz is non-porous. It is natural quartz, but it's mixed with polymer resin. So it has an even stronger, long-lasting quality to it. Not only that, but the quartz industry has done an incredible job making their quartz look a lot like granite or marble. I mean, sometimes you can't even tell the difference. And so you end up with the best of both worlds. You end up with a hard stone, right, that's meant to last for a very long time. But this is non-porous, it's easy to take care of, and you still get the look that you're after. So, yeah, granite and marble are kind of out, and quartz is in. And that's it. 5 interior design trends that are dying or dead. And it's a trend, so therefore that means that it has done its time and now it's shifting out of the way for an up and coming trend. Not to say that this is not cyclical and it won't all come back again in 10, 15 years, who knows? But this is meant to help you when you're planning your projects, because the spring is coming up, summer. This year, everyone's looking to do things around their homes, and just being aware of a trend that's actually dying out and that may actually hurt your home value later on. It's just information. It's just good information to have. And I hope that you took something away from it, because if you did, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, and leave a comment in the section below. This will help me grow my channel. And as usual, I appreciate you, and I'll see you next time. Bye.